No, man, we're very, very good. Today we're talking about the art of motivating yourself.
Yo, Mageza.
Yo.
Yabona itopic yanamhlanje mfethu ngicabanga ukuthi khona umuntu ezomsiza ngoba ngike ngayibuka lento Mageza ukuthi ngisho ngathi une support structure engakanani. There are moments la kuzofana khona uyisupporte wena. Ozothi yabafonela abantu bangatholakali. Kutholakala ukuthi in the heat of a moment la uzofanakala ukuthi wena ube nendlela yokuyimotivate. A few weeks ago ngeke ngabuka i-podcast yomfowethu owaziwa kakhulu kwi-tennis uNovak Djokovic. Uthi wathi edlala enye igame eyayi-heated ngale ndlela edlala noRoger Federer. uRoger Federer bayamazi ukuthi unzima. Kuthiwa mfethu stadium 90% of the people were cheering for uRoger Federer. Umethi uyabuka lona wabona ukuthi no, I'm outnumbered la. Kuthiwa right there wacabanga something ukuthi njengoba bebiza igama lakhe angeli-replace igama likaRoger Federer ngifake lami uNovak Djokovic. Ngaleyo ndlela wezwa abalandeli sengazi ukuthi basupporta yena. They are no longer supporting the other guy. That is the art of motivating yourself. Ukuthi ngisho izinto engavumi ube nendlela yokushintsha izinto zivumelane nawe. Sikhuluma ngale nto kuma sikhuluma nge-art of motivating yourself. Ngisalapho khona enye ke wayithinta ebikhona emanotini ami la ukuthi uDavid naye senkingeni kuthunjwe ifamily kuthiwa amasosha ayifuna ukumganda ngamatshe, and then we find this portion ukuthi uDavid esephelelwa amandla ekhathele, he encouraged himself in the Lord. U-encourage himself, abanye amahumusho athi he motivated himself in the Lord. Uma siqhubeka lapho mfethu, even i-prodigal son, indodana yolahleko, yadla imali nabantu abaningi, kuthe imali emisiphelile, liyasho iBhayibheli ukuthi he came back to his senses. All that is so aligned with us motivating ourselves. Ngikhumbula ngisakhula khona omunye umdlalo oyidlalela iKaizer Chiefs, sengizogoqa, waxekwa ucoach, udlalela iKaizer Chiefs neBafana Bafana, waxekwa ucoach kwi-media, ethi ucoach no, the team is not playing well because of this player. You know, bambuza ke bendaba ukuthi ucoach uyagxeka kwi-media ukuthi wena you are out of form, that's why the team is not doing well. This guy's response stood out for me. Uthi this guy no, I think ucoach the reason why esho njalo is because he knows what I'm capable of. He knows ukuthi I'm one of the best players. That's why esho njalo ukuthi makuthi mina ngithikamezekile ku-affecteka the whole team. Omunye umuntu bengayithatha negative le nto uthi coach wahamba ekhuluma ngami manje, but this guy said no. The reason why coach says that is because he knows what I'm capable of. Last point. Abanye bethu sishawa lento kuba ma-harsh critics, you know. At times we believe ukuba i-harsh critic, it's good at times to push yourself to certain levels, but at times ukuba i-harsh critic kungakulimaza ugcine ungasakwazanga ukufinyelela phambili. You know, abanye baze bayibize ngama-idiots, useless, oh I'm lazy, I'm good for nothing. You think by so doing you are propelling yourself to go forward. Kanti no, you are doing the opposite. We as a destroyer. Learn the art of motivating yourself. So what is it that you're going to be motivating yourself this week as you face the challenges of life? Makukhona ozimotivate ngakho, please share with us this morning. God is love.
Speak words of kindness to yourself.
Amen.
Speak words of encouragement to yourself.